Yeah. What's up, YouTube? Today's meal was supposed to, is a half chicken with rice, a bit of salad, and I'm watching Friends in one of my favorite areas, which is to be non-disclosed. Put some chili on top. Oh, this is what my friend got, by the way. He got chips with half chicken, and the chicken has a wrap around the around it, and it tastes really nice. A tortilla wrap. I got a garlic dip in my hand. Their garlic dip is one of the best dips you'll ever have. So yeah, welcome to another episode of Watch Me Eat Daily, or Watch Me and my friend eat daily.
Said it like that, you probably did. Yeah.
Hey, is Chandler here?
No, he went for a walk.
Okay, you cannot tell him, but look who's back.
No. He went over to Ross's to bring the dog back here.
Oh no, the dog's not going to be there.
Got a succulent chicken.
You think? Please don't be mad.
What? Why was she... Wait, see, maybe we will.
Okay, I went over to Ross's apartment to bring back clunkers, for you. And I left the door open, and she must have gotten out. And I looked everywhere, all over the apartment, including the roof, which, FYI, Ross, one of your neighbors, growing weed. I couldn't find them, and I am so sorry. But I do know where we can all go ease the pain.
We have good news. Look who's back.
Oh my God!
That's right. She came back all by herself. It's a Thanksgiving miracle.
It is so good to see you.
Yeah, she came all the way back from Ross's building. Oh, the things she must have seen. And then she climbed up the fire escape, and she tapped on the window with her teeny little paw, and then we ran to let her in. I went too far, didn't I? I'm sure I did.
Okay, maybe this is so hard because there aren't 50 states. Let me tell you something. I have 49 states, and there are no more. So I think I should be able to eat something. It's up to you.
Hi, how are you doing?
Okay, I gotta go down to the police station and look at mugshots. Thanks for having me over, you guys. Tag, you're going? We didn't get a chance to talk. So where did you say you're from again? Colorado. What good are you?
I think we should talk about what happened on the terrace.
Okay.
I never should have said what I said. You know what? It just doesn't matter how I feel. I mean, we work together, so nothing could really ever happen between us. And what I would love is just to go to